Alright, so here is a cool tool that I'm going to show you guys, and it's going to help you either start your own business, give you some ideas. If you have a business already online, it's going to give you some cool features. Anybody can take some stuff from this, I'll show you, and it's going to show you step by step what big companies are actually using. You could use it for any company out there. It'll give you the background data on every single company on what features they're using. So it'll show you if they're using Shopify, if they're using BigCommerce, what website they're using. It'll show you what features and apps they have installed from those websites, which is a cool feature. It's going to show you what email company they're using, like Klaviyo or GetResponse. It's going to show you every single thing that the company is using. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you actually step by step. Drop down to the bottom right, and this is the company. It is called buildwith.com. So go to buildwith.com, and right here in the middle, you are going to be able to type in whatever you want. So you can see right here, I typed in Sheen, Gymshark, Taylor Stitch, Amazon, Fashion Nova. Alright, so we're going to do, let's see, Purevita bracelets. So, PureVitaBracelets.com, big company, one of the larger Shopify companies. And when you type them in, it's going to bring you here, and it's going to show you, you could break it down by category, or you can just keep it in the general and see everything. But it's going to show you, so like, it breaks it down, blue core stats, so you use that for some kind of stats. Hotjar, so Hotjar, I've used that before. It actually, I believe, shows you a heat map of your website. So in my essential oil business over here, I used to use it. So you could see, like, is a person clicking on this button? It could actually show you. It's pretty cool. So that's what Hotjar is. Klaviyo, I've used Klaviyo. That's my favorite email company out there. Very expensive, but they're fantastic. So that's an email builder. So that's how they send emails out, is through Klaviyo. So that's kind of cool. They'll tell you amazing conversion optimization on Klaviyo. All these products they use, Google Optimize 360, and you could always click on them and check out and see if it's something that you can use. Read about it, do some research. Swell Rewards is a rewards app, so basically it's probably like an affiliate market system. Either that or it is a reward, so you spend so much you get like points and you can cash it in for like discounts or products. Obviously, they got Google and Analytics, Facebook Pixels, that's standard stuff. Pinterest conversion, that's for tracking of their Pinterest. Trustpilot. Alright, so here's the cool. So these are the widgets they have installed on their Shopify. So if you've ever used Shopify, the reason I love it so much is it's such a fantastic product that you basically have all these apps that people create, usually third parties, and they actually install right into your website. So you can do all these apps. These are what they have installed. So you can actually go to their website and check it out. So you can go to their website and look, and you can see, like, they got Just Uno, which is a social marketing, and it tells you, if you actually click on them, it'll give you more information. But Yotpo, I believe, is a review. That's one of the best review apps or widgets that are out there. So these are what they're using. Anyway, so this gives you a lot of information. You can do this. See, there's their platform is Shopify, so if we didn't know that, it'll tell you. It also tells you all the things they have right here that are installed. So they have gift cards through Shopify, conversions. They have the custom theme. It'll even tell you what theme that they are running. Usually it'll tell you, let's see if it says custom theme. I know I've seen it on other ones. It does list it usually. I don't see it here, but you can mess around with it. It usually tells you exactly what theme they use, so you can kind of say, hey, I want to use that theme. You can buy these themes. Almost all of them are for sale or free. They are a Shopify Plus store, so that's, high dollar. They do a lot of volume. But these are all things that you can use. It shows you every single thing. The list goes on and on and on. So you can see every single thing that they are using to build their company and be successful. And you could take this and use it to help you. So if you don't know what to sell or what to do or what kind of website to build, go online and do some research and pick a few companies that, they could be household names. They could be companies that you find on Google that you do a little research. Do a search for a category or a niche and see what you are, what companies are out there, and then you can take this tool and you actually put that website in, and it's going to show you what they're using, how they're doing it, how they're building their website, and then you could kind of mimic it. You don't want to copy them. You want to be your own person, your own brand. But you can take this, and it definitely helps. This is a cool tool. I wish I'd never seen this until recently. But if I had that when I built my essential oils, it would have saved me a lot of time and money. On Shopify, you got to install these apps, and sometimes the apps suck, and you have to trial and error. You install the app, see if it works, see if it don't. You might waste a few bucks because some of the apps cost money. But you do something like this, and it could save you a lot of headache and make your life a lot easier. So go ahead and try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any other suggestions or anything you want me to look into, put them down there. And then if you want to keep getting content like this, hit the subscribe button, and I appreciate it. I'll talk to you next time.